Good morning and welcome to the video for lesson 9.7 homework for third grade. This is going to go out on Thursday, April the 9th and covering the work from the 8th. So let's go ahead and take a look at our problems from today. So number 2, if you looked in the Google form, I just asked for specific numbers. That way it would make it a little bit easier. So if I were to take this particular shape and fill it in, I'm going to zoom in just a little bit here so that it matches that, I would be filling in this amount, and we are counting 6 parts on the top, and we want to know how many parts are in the total shape, and that would be 8. So it would be 6/8. Number 4, they wanted us to circle, so we're going from 4 parts over 6 to counting 3 different groups, and we want to know how many of the groups we will be counting. So here would be how we would go ahead and circle that. And we would be counting 2 out of the 3 groups. Number 6, explain how you find a fraction that is equivalent to 1/4. So if I use this picture here, or this spot here, actually I will just use this. So let's say that I go ahead and divide this up into 4 parts, and I am counting this particular part. I could add additional parts to change this, and so I could basically multiply the number of parts by 2 that I'm counting on the top and multiply the total number of parts by 2. So next year you will be working with that particular strategy a lot as we work to find equivalent fractions. So let's go ahead and head over to this side. What fraction is equivalent to 6 parts over 8? So if I go ahead and fill in these 3 parts, that would give us 3 on the top for our fraction, 4 on the bottom. And then what fraction is equivalent to 1/3? So if I fill in these parts here so that they match, I would have 2 parts over 6. So those are our questions for today. Next year we will be working with much more difficult things related to the tasks that we just started working on for this lesson. But if we keep some of those things in mind, we can use multiplication and or division sometimes to help us find equivalent fractions, and we can use pictures to help us find that as well. So that will make it a lot easier going forward for y'all. So hope you have a great day. I will be doing office hours for you on Thursday. So feel free to stop in. I had a few people pop in on Tuesday, and it was a really fun time. So come hang out. May get to see me and my wife learning how to play ukulele. We're doing some other things. We also played some Kahoot games and some other things. So have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow.